Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and as you must have guessed by what I'm doing right now, today's video is all about my top 10 favorite lipsticks. So if you guys are interested in knowing what my all-time favorite go-to lipsticks are, then continue watching. I cannot live without lipsticks. I feel like lipsticks are the most important part of your makeup. Every girl would own a huge number of lipsticks, I'm guessing, because I own like a bazillion lipsticks. And trust me guys, it was the most difficult task for me to come up with my top 10 because I love almost every lipstick for that matter. So I've segregated my list into different color families, and the first color family, which is probably the most important, is pinks. The first one is my L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick. Now this is an amazing range of lipsticks. Why? Because they are matte, but they do not feel heavy or do not dry out your lips as much as a regular matte lipstick would, which is why I love it. It's quite affordable, and this color, I rule, is my go-to pink. I mean, whenever I have nothing in mind, I would just pick this color up and go for it. And this color looks very flattering. I feel like it will suit all complexions. On darker complexions, this will come across a little on the lighter pink side. On my complexion, it comes across as a medium to dark pink, but absolutely love it. My second most favorite pink lipstick in this entire world is also one of the world's most favorite pink lipsticks, which is the M.A.C Mehr. It's a cult favorite. It's one of M.A.C's highest selling lipsticks. It's famous all over the world, and it surely lives up to the hype. It's such a beautiful nudish pink color. Since my complexion is more on the lighter side, it does not look as nude on me as it looks like a deep pink, but whatever it looks like, it looks bomb.com. So this is my second favorite lipstick. The texture of the M.A.C Bullet lipsticks is amazing. It's very creamy, glides onto your lips, comes off very easily, which is not the case with the L'Oreal Rouge Signature. It takes an effort to bring this off because this lasts really long. In terms of lasting, I wouldn't say this lasts as long as this one, but in terms of comfort, I think both of them are pretty good. The third shade in pink that I actually really also love is this one. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude. It says it's nude, but it's actually like a pinkish nude. So I don't know where exactly to categorize this lipstick, but if I'm really looking at something which feels like a touch of lipstick without really looking like I've applied anything on my lips, then I go for this one, and that's why I really like it. If I really want to just go to the gym, or which I don't get to go anymore because of lockdown and corona, or just, you know, want to like add just like a dash of color to my lips, then this is what I would go with. And it's very affordable, and I don't know if they still have this range, but if they do, then you guys must pick it up. After pinks, the other shade or shade family that I would gravitate towards is nudes. Now we all know that everyone loves a beautiful nude lip moment. Nude colors go with every skin tone. They're flattering. Nude is definitely the most used lipstick color family that there is, and I have 2 or 3 nudes here with me. The first nude is again a cult favorite. It's the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Bombshell. Again, it's universally flattering, looks super good. It's a matte lipstick, so once you apply it, it looks a little shiny, but then give it like 2 to 3 minutes and it dries off absolutely matte on your lips. Lasts forever, but is also easy to get off. Absolutely love this lipstick. If you have to invest in a Huda lipstick, definitely pick this one up. I know all my friends who have this in their makeup kits, and they keep replacing it whenever they run out of it. So if you're someone who wants to invest only in few high-end lipsticks, then invest in this one. Even if you do invest a little more on a nude lipstick, it would be worth the investment. So go for something more on the high end to the luxury side, depending on your budget. The second nude lipstick that I absolutely love is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Love lipstick in the shade 110 Raw Sugar. When it goes on my lips, it's like the perfect light pink nude color. Now the Huda Beauty is more on the brownish nude side. This is more on the pinkish nude side. And again, the finish of this bullet is completely matte, but it glides on very smoothly, similar to the M.A.C bullet. It doesn't last as long as the Huda because it's not a liquid formula, it's a cream formula, but it is so comfortable to wear, and yeah, it just goes with everything. So this is another beautiful nude color. Again, a little bit on the more expensive side, but again, as I said, invest in a good nude and you will thank thank me for it. The third lipstick in my nude favorites is the Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy lipstick. This is in the shade 160 Discreet. This is actually the color that I'm wearing right now that you guys can see, and it's a beautiful brownish nude tone, a little bit more on the brown side I would say than on the nude side, but I still count it as nude because someone who's slightly darker in complexion than me will find this like the perfect nude, but for me it goes a little on the brown side again because of my skin tone. But it's such a beautiful formula. I mean guys, it glides on like butter on your lip. It's not matte, it has a demi matte finish, it has like a creamy finish to it, little bit of sheen but not too much. I love lipsticks like these which I can just like put on like a lip balm, and yeah, I love it. Let's shift to the brown side as well. My top favorite brown lipstick is this one. It's the M.A.C lipstick in the shade Taupe. You guys know that this lipstick range from M.A.C, I don't know what you call it, I think it's their standard lipsticks with the matte finish, but I will link the exact names down below. This is Taupe and it's one of the most beautiful brown shades there is. It's so perfect. It's not too dark because I feel like when you go too dark with the brown it just looks a little dampy, but it's not too light so it does not look like a nude as well. Texture amazing, color payoff amazing, it lasts forever, but of course not as long as a liquid lipstick, and yeah, it's lovely. Now my second favorite brown lipstick, which is again a little bit of a transition between a brown and a nude. Depending on your skin tone, it will come across as nude, maybe on someone who's duskier, but someone who's lighter or my skin tone, it will look brown, and this is Nykaa's Wakeup Makeup. This is from Nykaa's range of Also Creme creamy matte lipsticks. It's again a beautiful formula, very similar to the MAC formula, which is creamy matte. That was the term I was looking for. And again, it's a beautiful color. It's absolutely matte but with a slight creamy texture, which is what I live for. I live for that texture because I feel like it just does not feel heavy on the lips like liquid matte lipsticks do. Very similar to Taupe actually, so you can consider these two dupes of each other. This one of course is much more affordable than the MAC lipstick in case you're looking for a cheaper alternative. This is your goal. Last but never the least, color family, which is something that I would wear on a day that I'm feeling low, on a day that I'm lacking confidence, on a day that I really need to feel like a girl boss, is reds. Love it, hate it, you cannot ignore it. Red is a color that really sparks a conversation. It's a color that really stands out, makes you stand out, makes your lips stand out, makes your entire outfit pop. Like it's just, oh, I love reds, and there are two favorite reds of mine. One is more on the orangish reddish side, which is this one. It's the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Lipstick in the shade 115. I am worth it. This is the kind of red that you would want to pop on when you feel like brightening up an outfit, because it's a tomato red, if I may call it that. It's like has a slight orangish reddish tone, very bright, very popping. If you have to go on a night out, I wouldn't recommend using this because I think this is more of a day red, more of a bright day red. But again, the texture of this range is so lightweight that it literally feels like nothing on your lips but lasts you forever, and of course dries up completely matte and is super affordable. So kudos to this range. And the final red, which is like my go-to red, which is like the red that I would wear when I know nothing about what I want to do with my lips, is the M.A.C Ruby Woo. Again, it's probably M.A.C's highest selling lipstick of all time. It is the red that goes with every skin complexion across the world. Every makeup artist will have a Ruby Woo in their kit, and if you are someone who's looking at investing in a great red shade, no matter what complexion you are, please pick up Ruby Woo. It's going to last you forever. It's going to look good with every kind of outfit that you want to pair a red lip with, and yeah, it's just a great investment. I have the mini size here with me right now because my bigger red M.A.C Ruby Woo, I have two, yes, is with my friend Manisha. I left it in her bag the other day. Last but not the least is actually not a lipstick, it's a lip gloss, which I again feel like every woman must have a lip gloss in her kit, because if you want to turn a matte lipstick into a glossy lipstick, or if you want to turn a dull color into something which is very sexy and sultry and, you know, just gives your lip that pout, then you must invest in at least one good transparent or semi-transparent lip gloss which just like gives your lips that pop. And for me, that is the Fenty Beauty gloss bomb in this shade Sweet Mouth. Oh my god, this lipstick is orgasmic, if I may call it that. It's so good. Whenever you add it on top of any lipstick, or even if you use it just as it is, it gives your lips such a great glow. It just makes your lips look fuller, poutier, sexier. It's just the ideal lip gloss. If you have to invest in one, just throw away all your lip glosses and just buy this one, and trust me, you won't regret it. It's so good. So yeah guys, that was it. These are my top 10 lip products of all time. I try to keep it as balanced as possible. If not, sorry. And do leave your suggestions down below as to what other lipstick related videos would you guys like to see. I would love to create those for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and do share the video if possible. And I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye.